Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to make a drop-down list in Excel. You can use this tutorial as well in your Google Sheets if you want to. So first of all guys, let's go ahead and open Excel sheet and then let's open whatever you want, for example, blank workbook. And here, let me just click on not now. So let's try to make a list over here. So let's make, for example, name, and here, for example, uh, person one, and let's make, for example, fell down. Let me just make it something like that, series. All right, something like that will do the job. So series, autofill, and something like that will do the job. Now let's make it like that, and let's make a border so we can make it like a list, and here worked. So for example, this is person one, and let's see if he works or not. Normally you will say yes or no. But to make it easier for us, what you're gonna do is actually go to here to data, and got it. So here what I'm going to do is actually click on data validation, and here in allow you're gonna choose list. Here you have to choose yes and no. Click OK, and as you can see here we'll have this option which is yes or no. Let me just fix it real quick. So I think it's gonna be on only a comma, so I think like that will do the job. So yeah, basically that's how you can actually create a VS. If you want to make it in all these layers, you can columns, you can just drag it and it will be yes no, so you can choose it to no, no, and like that, yes no, no, yes, 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 yes. So yeah guys, that's how you can make a drop down list in Excel. So thank you guys for watching and see ya in the next tutorial.